Not much time to cook? This keto Thai green curry will be ready in 20 minutes. This Thai green curry is easy and quick to make. You will need just 4 ingredients and it's actually really tasty. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do take a look around at our other recipes, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. Some other great things about this curry is that it's really low in calories, just 265, and the total carbs is 2.7 grams. The other thing is it is slightly higher in protein because it is a chicken dish. But if you add a quarter avocado, it will balance it out nicely for keto. This was perfect for me because I'm doing a protein sparing modified fast and you need higher protein. Are you ready? Let's go. Firstly, dice 650 grams of skinless chicken breast into bite-sized pieces, or you can buy diced chicken from the store. Over a medium heat, add the chicken pieces to a non-stick pan and cook the chicken for about 5 minutes until white or golden. Add 3 tablespoons or 84 grams of Thai green curry paste and 1 tablespoon or 12 grams of fish sauce and toss to coat the chicken. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then add 400 ml of coconut cream. Simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until cooked. Turn off the heat and give it a taste to see if you wish to season, and I didn't need any. And when you're ready to serve, as an added extra, I added fresh chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. That's it. Dinner ready in 20 minutes. Now this meal serves 6, and if you aren't serving it to your whole family on the one night and you're doing this just for yourself, you have 5 other meals available where you don't have to cook for yourself. And it stores in the fridge for a few days or really well in the freezer, which is what I have done. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.